Good morning everybody and welcome to Hamburg, Germany. This is a quick video where we're gonna give away the Shimoda Explore V2 30 and it all starts right now. Let's go. Yes, good morning guys once again and welcome to my living room here in Hamburg. I am currently preparing for the next TRVL adventure. We're going to China and I'm going through some of my stuff because Nelly and I are practicing minimalism, as you can see in the background. It's been quite a challenge, but one of the things that I want to personally do is go through all the gear that I have, some of the old stuff that I'm just not using anymore that's kind of taking up space. You guys probably know this as photographers, but we end up with like 3 or 4 tripods, 2 or 3 camera bags, 5 different ICUs. The list goes on and on and on. I know Mass Peter Iverson has like 13 tripods, which is just ridiculous. But the point is that I want to try and get rid of some of my stuff. So one of the things that I've replaced recently is my Shimoda camera bag. So I'm now using the Action X40, I believe it is, with the extra large internal core unit, the ICU, and that's for the 200 to 600 primarily that I bought for wildlife and safari, which doesn't fit in this one. So this is my old Explore V2 30, which is still a fantastic camera bag, and I've kept it because I thought maybe I was going to use it, around the city or on smaller trips, and the fact is that I just haven't used it. So as much as I still want to keep it, I think it's a good opportunity right now to give it away. So one of you guys, if you decide to enter the giveaway, will get this bag, including shipping, the rain cover, an internal core unit, a small DSLR one, and a couple of the other stuff that comes with the Shimoda. I've kind of just all packaged it into one and I'll send it to you from Hamburg. So hopefully you don't live too far away. But the trick is that it's a bit of a marketing thing. So what I want to do is see if we can generate a bit of interest in the website, because I've been putting a lot of effort into Snell Media and TRVL Photography, updating both and trying to keep them relevant with photos and information and how full the trips are, whether certain trips are sold out or not, etc., etc. And the best way for me to do that is to keep generating interest towards those sites. So that's exactly what we're doing here. So if you don't want to be part of it, just click off the video. But if you are interested in seeing what we've been up to, there's a link in the description. You click on that, it's gonna take you to a MailChimp newsletter landing page where I'm collecting the information for this giveaway. I've got a dual opt-in process set up to avoid bots, so that I make sure that the people who are entering the giveaway are actually people. So when you land on that landing page, you just have to fill in your email and your name. The name is optional, but it would be probably good to have your name. And then that will then prompt you to the Snell Media site where that dual opt-in process happens and you have to go through your email. So it's not too hard, it's just a couple clicks, but the whole idea is just to avoid spammers. So yeah, the giveaway. I want to give this Shimoda away primarily to a photographer. I'm sure that's you, but you know what I mean. This is a good opportunity to pass on a very, very useful piece of kit to somebody who I'm sure will get a lot of use out of it. So if that's you, please join the giveaway. And from my side, I will see you in the next video from China, because when this drops, actually, when you're watching this right now, I will already be in China. So be sure to check out trvl.photography on Instagram and also Gregor Snell on Instagram, and you'll see those stories. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video from rural China.